Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in physical pharmaceutics and which is solubility. So today we are going to learn what is solubility, the different types of solutions and the solubility expressions, molality and normality, and what is solute-solvent interaction, and after that solvation and association. Okay, so let's begin with the most important question. What is solubility? So most of students memorize the definition, but today we are going to learn the concept. Okay, so solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a fixed amount of solvent at a constant temperature. Don't worry if this definition looks difficult. Let me explain it with a very simple example. Imagine this glass contains water and we start adding sugar and we stir the solution. Initially all the sugar dissolves, but so we keep adding more sugar. So after some times we reach a point where the water cannot dissolve any more sugar and the extra sugar remains at the bottom. This point is called solubility limit, and in other words, the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve at a fixed temperature is called solubility. So before moving ahead, let's understand these three basic terms. If you understand these three terms, the rest of the chapter becomes much easier for you. So first is solute. So solute is the component which is dissolved in the solvent, and usually it presents in less amount in the solution. Here the sugar is the solute. It is dissolved, and the sugar is solute, and the sugar is dissolved in water, which is solvent. So the sugar added into solvent, and the solute is in less amount. So what is solute? Solute is a substance that get dissolved in a solvent, and it usually present in less amount. And after that, what is solvent? So solvent is the component. What is solvent? Solvent is the component in which solute is dissolved. Present in more amount than solute in the solution. So here the solvent is water. Water is solvent. Here water is solvent, and the solute get dissolved in a solvent. Usually solvent is present in more amount than solute. Okay, so the water is solvent here, and the solute get dissolved in a solvent, and solvent usually in more amount than solute, in the solution. Okay, so after this we have solution. It means what is solution? So according to the definition, Solution is the mixture of two or more components, and the components are referred to solute and solvent. Solute and solvent are the components. We can also say that when solute get dissolved, when solute get totally dissolved in solvent and form a homogeneous mixture. So this homogeneous mixture is called a solution. Okay, remember this point. The substance that dissolves called solvent, and the substance that get dissolved is called solute, and the last homogeneous mixture, that is called solution. Now we know what is solute, solvent, and solutions are. Let's know why the solubility is important in this field of pharmacy.